how to move files from your OneDrive to your computer. So I'll show you how you can save your OneDrive files locally on your PC or laptop. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is go and open up your Start menu. You could then search for File Explorer and go and open up this window. Now, from the left-hand side, you'll see your OneDrive. So this should be your computer name, and you know it's the OneDrive because it should have a OneDrive symbol next to it like this. Now, once you've clicked on this folder, you'll be able to find all of the files that are saved in your OneDrive. Now, to go and save these locally on your computer, all you need to do is go and drag them into a local folder. So you can see at the moment this is on my OneDrive, but if I go and drag the file over to my desktop, so you can see that gets moved over to my desktop, and this is what's saved locally on my computer. Now, you can basically move this into any folder that's saved locally on your computer. So this could be your documents, your pictures, videos, and so forth. Now, just make sure this is a folder that's saved locally and not a folder that's in the OneDrive. Now, there is a second way to do this as well. So what you can do is open up an internet browser. You can then search for OneDrive and click on this top website, which is onedrive.live.com. Now, you'll need to go and sign in to your OneDrive account. Once you're signed in, you can click on My Files from the left-hand side. You'll then see all of the files that are saved on your OneDrive. Now, to go and move these over to your computer, just select the files you want to download. You can then click on this download button. Once it's downloaded, click on your downloads folder, and here you'll find all of these OneDrive files. Now, this folder that we just downloaded will be saved locally on your computer in the downloads folder, and once it's in your downloads, you can go and move it to anywhere else on your computer.